What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this bomb red ombre frontal wig in store. Yes, I'm feeling myself. I mean, anytime you get your hair done, you're always feeling yourself. But today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how I got this frontal wig installed, and this is actually a glueless install, so very easy to achieve. And I'm going to show you the products that I use, the steps that I take to install this wig here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Stay tuned for the wig install. So for the hair details of this wig, this is a 1B and 99J lace front wig. This is a 13x4 lace front and 22 inches. As you can see, it's like an ombre from black into red, kind of like an off black. But what I'm going to show you guys is how I install this wig the glueless method. So we're gonna pop the wig on the head, as you can see, and I'm just making my sections on the side by my ear tabs because I want to make that section of how much of the lace that I'm going to be cutting off and customizing it to my head shape, basically. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just cutting off around my ear so that that lace can fit comfortable and really snug in that area and mold to my head shape, basically. So I'm just cutting off the rest of that lace here on the side. And I did get this wig from Amazon. If anybody is interested where I got this hair. This hair is a deep wave and it comes pre-plucked, 160% density. As you can see, this hair is nice and full from root to tips. So I'm just going to be repeating on the same other on the other side of my ear, just parting out the section where I'm going to cut off the lace to customize this hairline to mine. Not hairline, just cutting off the ear tab, basically. And this wig was very, very affordable. I think I paid about $130, maybe $130 for this wig. I do wig reviews, so 99% of my wigs that I do my installs is wigs that I do review for. So this is one of the units, and I just wanted to install this wig and let you guys know how easy it is to do the glueless method. So I'm going to be using my Ebin lace adhesive, and I'm using the black can, and I'm just going to be spraying that along my hairline, and I'm spraying it on top of my lace. I know you see, if you are familiar with the glueless method, I've seen a lot of people spray the Ebin spray directly onto the skin around the hairline, and then they apply the lace on top of it. But I wanted to do it this way. I've tried this method before of going on top of the lace with that spray and just spreading it in and allowing it to dry as well. You can let it air dry, but I like to use my blow dryer because it's a lot faster. And I did do about 2 to 3 coats of this Ebin lace adhesive spray just to give it that extra security. This spray is really, really strong, and it really holds your wig down. Again, this is a glueless method, so I didn't want to commit to having this wig on my head for a lot of days, so that's why I went in with the glueless method, so I could just peel it right off easily and not have to worry about cleaning the glue off of the lace. And like I said, I'm just using my blow dryer to just blow dry that in, and I went in with 2 to 3 layers of that spray, but I did cut that part out. But I'm just letting you guys know how many layers I applied to this wig. As you can see, I'm applying another layer, and I'm just using my finger and I'm just smoothing that out over my lace and just trying to really control that Ebin spray by keeping it in the area that I want it to go. So that's why I'm using my finger to spread it along just the hairline. I didn't want to go any further than my hairline, basically. Just wanted to keep it in place. And it's best to use your blow dryer to blow dry it. As you can see, that is what I'm doing. It gets really, really sticky, so make sure if you don't want to use your finger, you can use a comb, as you see I did there in that clip. And I did put my band on because I wanted to melt that lace spray into that lace frontal. And I'm just making my slits here at this point. It was just too much in my face. Like I'm not beginning to cut it yet, but I just did that because I am going to be working in sections when I do cut the lace basically. So I did leave that band on for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then I am going to just continue on with the installing process after I melt this down. I did let this dry completely before I decided to cut off my lace. So this is what I'm doing here. Those slits that I made before on the sides, I'm just extending those cuts that I made on the side just to push it back to where my hairline actually starts and where exactly I wanted how much I wanted to cut off as far as the lace. I'm just using the end of that rat tail comb, and I'm just pushing it back, just releasing the lace from my skin, pushing it back with the end of that comb. And I'm just going in with my scissors, and as you can see, I'm moving in a jagged motion because you don't want that harsh line there. So make sure you're moving small sections. I think it's easier to move in sections than to commit to trying to cut it all at one time. I feel like this is better for me, but to each his own. But this is my process. As you can see, I'm peeling it up from, there was a lot of glue that got on areas that I did not want the glue to be, and I'm just separating that by just peeling it up from my hairline and moving it back as far as I need it to go back for me to begin to cut the extra lace off. So I was really excited about this color as well. As you can see in that first clip when we first started this video, when I was doing my introduction, I was really feeling this hair. I really love this color. This color is really beautiful, and it is summertime now as well, so you want to do a little pop of color. I mean, I love my black, don't get me wrong, and my other colors, but it's just something about the summertime where you can try so many different fun colors, and that is what I'm going to be doing here on my channel. So I hope you guys stay tuned for more of my videos that I have up and coming. I have a lot of things that I'm going to show you guys here on my channel. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to be taking my Ebin melting spray, and I'm going to be using that melting spray, and what this does basically, it melts that lace into your hairline. It makes that lace seem like it's transparent, because as you can see, when I cut off the lace from my wig, the edges of that lace was sticking up and not laid down completely. So that is the point of using this melting spray, is to lay it down, help it melt. I like to spray it and then just press it down into that lace with using my finger, or you can use any type of tool that you want if you don't want to have a bit of mess. As you can see, it does get a little bit messy, but that's just how it comes out of my spray bottle. I was just trying to control it as much as I can, and I am going in with my blow dryer to help speed up the drying process of me melting my lace. And as you can see, there was a big difference after I did apply that melting spray. So now what I'm doing, I'll just spray my heat protectant, because I am going to apply some heat only to the front of this wig when I'm doing my custom style. So what I decided to do for this wig, I wanted to do a nice side part, because this is really full hair. It's curly and it's big and it's deep wave, and as you can see, it is very full density. So I wanted to do a side part. I thought that would look really, really cute, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making my little part on the side, and what I'm taking now is my Style Factor Edge my Style Factor wax stick, and I was just using that. I was making parts in between the hair and then hot combing each section as I go along, just to get that hair as flat as possible. So in between the parts, you are going to apply another layer of that wax stick and use your hot comb to smooth it out, smooth it down, to get it flat as possible so it doesn't look so puffy on your hair. So I was just trying to define that line, define that part, and just lay that hair down. So after each section, again, ladies and gentlemen, you apply your wax stick, and then you go in with your hot comb and you smooth it down. So next, what I'm going to be doing, I'm taking my Milani foundation, excuse me, foundation. I don't know why that sounds crazy like that. And I'm using this makeup brush, and I'm using that to blend my lace. And as you can see, it is melting. That lace is disappearing as we speak. This is a foundation that is my skin tone color. So look at that. Y'all see that? I know y'all saw that right there. It looked like this looked like my real hair as much as I melted it and blended it and sprayed it. And now I'm doing my applying my foundation to that as well. Girl, you can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I know I did that, and I'm trying to get better and better at these wigs as far as the installation. So I'm just going to continue to keep on going and keep on learning and teaching y'all whatever it is that I learn along the way. And if you have any comments down in the comment section about any tips that you can also give me, be free to leave that in the comment section as well. I'm open to you know, constructive criticism as well. You know, I don't take anything personal. Again, I am still a beginner at this lace wigs, I will call myself, and I'm just doing my little side part. I mean, excuse me, my little, what do you call that, sideburn. I'm doing my little sideburn, my little swoop de doop on the side. I thought that would be really cute. It does look cute without the baby hairs, but I just wanted to add that, you know, a little swoop de doop to see how it go. And I really like that on the side. Now I'm taking my Lotta Body, and this is my foaming mousse, and I'm going to use that to put on my hair to smooth out those curls. I didn't want this to be defined to where the curls are weighed down and it gives that wet look. I just wanted to tone down the frizziness of this wig. This is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Connect with me on my other social media platforms. Go check out some of my other videos on my channel. Bye.